how to make money on people per hour as a WordPress theme customizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People per Hour is a platform where you can create a profile in order to sell your own skills. So for example, if you are a WordPress theme customizer, you can create a profile where you're going to list your skill, and you're going to write a description about yourself, and you're going to set an hourly rate also in order to show clients how much you're getting paid per hour, the job that you can do, and a little bit information about yourself. So I'm going to show you an example of that. So here, let's go to the technology and programming to see if we can find something about WordPress in here, or we can just go to the search button in here and click on search freelancers, and let's open it. And here, click on search freelancers, enter the skill WordPress theme customizer, and let's search for it. So here, let's click on the search, and those are all of the profiles that are doing the same skill like the one you want to do. So here, as you can see, as I said in the beginning, you're going to list your hourly rate, and also you're going to write or enter a description where you're going to talk about yourself and your skill, your previous experience. As you can see, this is the description, and here as well you can see the views that this profile got and the sales that he also got from those views. So let's go back to the beginning to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to clicking on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. Then click on login. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, click on the profile picture in order to drop a profile picture for your profile. Then you proceed to the job title. So for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with WordPress theme customizer. Then you proceed to your skills, and as you can see, the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with WordPress. So here we have WordPress CMS, WordPress design. So let's start with WordPress design. And then let's go for WordPress again. WordPress development, WordPress e-commerce, WordPress template. Let's go with WordPress plugin or plugin development. Let's go with plugin. WordPress e-commerce, and the last one is WordPress plugin development. And here we can go as well with theme, template, add-ons, plugins, and theme customization. theme, add-ons, plugins, and that's it. Then you proceed to your description. So here guys, the description is very important, and in order to enter a good or a decent description for your profile, I will advise you to go search again for your competitors and take inspiration from their descriptions. How are they talking about their skill? How much are they getting paid per hour? That we'll need that in the last step. The information that they put in their description, how are they describing themselves, and all of those stuff. So let's go to the search, click on search freelancers, open it in a new window in order to not lose this window. So here let's wait for it to load, and here let's enter WordPress theme customizer and click on the search button here, and here we can see all offers. So here let's go with the first one to check his description. So here his name is Peter, and he has more than 100,000 views and more than 2,000 and a half sales, as you can see. And this is his description. I've been working with the web and SEO for 25 years, and my experience with WordPress predates it even being called WordPress. Over the years, I've consistently seen that the number one best way to attract and retain clients to your business is through SEO, search engine optimization. With my wealth of experience, I can approach it just as it should be done, in line with industry best practice, using Google's latest guidance and recommendations, and most of all, strategic. So this is a very decent description. It will give us a very good inspiration in order to be based on it to create our description. So guys, after you're done with your description, then you proceed to your location, and then you add the languages that you can speak. After that, you proceed to your hourly rate. So here, make sure to enter a fair price for you and for your clients as well. After that, you can change your currency in here from pounds to dollars or euros. Then you click on submit application. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.